page. As I've said before, that we'll be dropping the playlist of how I did that beautiful and awesome cake website. So let's just start from it. From our last video, if you watched it, I've shown you the demo of your website, the cake website with full admin panel and database area. So we are going to be starting today. Let's just start up with the installation, because as I've said earlier, this tutorial will be suitable for both pro and beginners in both PHP, Bootstrap, and in the coding world entirely. So without much ado, let's just dive in and start. So first of all, we'll be installing the XAMPP file. So just for beginner's sake, I'll just walk you through the installation. At the end, I'll not be installing it, but I'm just going to download it and walk you through the installation. So let's go back to our XAMPP panel. You see here the VS Code is completely download, so you just have to come back here to the download. So you click here, click here. So for your XAMPP control panel, this is what you'll be downloading. Say you see it here, you are going to receive this message. Your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, you have to click here. This is a link. This is a link. If your download does not start automatically, you just have to click here. So for now, let's just wait a while because it's going to start up. Let's just wait. See, it's starting up. So you just quickly download. So as this is downloading, let's quickly install this. This process is just meant for those beginners in programming. Let's quickly open file without wasting of time. You just have to click here, or you just go to your file explorer and install it there. That is the two ways you can use. You see, as much as I want to try to run through the installation process, but this won't let me because I already have it here installed on my system. So as you can see here, it's a setup as stated that Visual Studio Code is currently running. Please close all instances for now, which means I have to uninstall it before I can reinstall, and I won't be doing that. So if you are finding it difficult to install the Visual Studio, please comment down below and I'll be creating a separate video on how to install Visual Studio. So thank you. I'm not going to cancel it. So you see this is still downloading. Let's just wait for it. You just have to wait for it to download, then you install it. So that is just the main process you have to go through. So without wasting of time, let's dive in. So when you are done with your installation, because as much as I want to do it, as I already have it installed, it won't let me do it. I have to uninstall it. So when you are done with your installation, so just help me comment down below if you are finding it difficult for this installation. Tell me and I'm going to be creating a separate video for that. So when you are done with that, you just have to come here to your document or any directory you want. I'm going to be creating a project in this directory, or better still, where you have installed it, because they will be asking for a path when installing your XAMPP. You'll be asked for a path for you to install the XAMPP. As for me, I've installed it on my local disk. So let's wait for this to open. I installed it on my local disk. Let's wait for it to open. So where you have installed it at which directory, and I'm going to advise for you to install it at your local disk directory because of backup sake. So it's better you install it at your local disk directory. So you are going to find this folder here, which will be installed by default with your XAMPP. Just enter here. We are going to create a new project at this your htdocs here, and see here you can create as many this thing as you want. So I'm just going to be creating new one just for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm just be creating new one and new folder, this directory. You can give it whatever title you want. So for now, I'm going to be giving it cake website tutorial. Just have to click on enter, and you see it's created. So when you've created, just have to open your Visual Studio. Open up your Visual Studio. so you can bring it, so we can start the decoding fully. When you start up your Visual Studio, it's going to bring you to this page, but just in case it does not bring you to this page, you just have to go to your file, open folder. It's going to lead you to a page, or you can also do it from this open folder, whatever way you choose. So for record purpose, I'm going to using this method. Just have to open a folder so we can import that folder from where we have installed it. So let's just go back to our local disk. From our local disk, we switch over to the XAMPP. Then I have to look for this htdocs. Then Cake Tutorial, as you see it boldly written here, you have to select folder, and it will be open to us in our Visual Studio. Let's just do away with this. Just have to wait. You can see it's open to us. So first of all, let's just create a new file, and this file will be naming it style.css. Another file, we'll be naming this other file index.html, also be using an HTML extension. Then a folder with our images, because first of all we are going to build a static website before switching over to a dynamic one, so we need an image. So we are going to input an image. So that will be all for this video. See you on the next video, where we'll be building the navbar and the static website. See you there. Thank you. Please, if you found value in this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.